Greetings from Florida. Today we're working on a Lincoln LS 2003 to 2006. I've double speeded up the video so you can watch it more quickly. This is a motor regulator assembly. You get both pieces together. Alright, I'm back. Hopefully I won't block too much of this. Okay, you've got a cover right there with two Phillips screws behind it. I pulled it off from the bottom. That was a mistake. I wanted to pull it off from the top. Keep that in mind. And then I was trying to take this off. On some of the LSs you do, but on this one you do not. You can pop off the switch, but you don't have to. You don't need to take that off, actually. And then you've got three screws on the bottom. And one on the side. And it takes a little bit of oomph to get it off, but it comes off pretty easily. And then once you do, there's one wiring harness on the back. That's why I didn't have to take off the switch. I could have just unplugged the wiring harness. And move that out of the way. I'm going to peel off the moisture barrier so you can see what's going on there. This is a little bit different than the 2000 to 02, which I think is just the regulator, and you have to put your motor back onto it. And then we're going to take out the speaker, which is a small Torx screw. I can't remember which one it was. A little bit of WD-40 on the two up and down channels, the run channels that the glass travels in, is a good idea. It makes everything much easier. You're going to find two clips that are broken, so you want to take off the 10mm bolts, hold the clip on. Foolishly, I put my hand in there, which might have not been a good idea because the thing just flew off. Put the window up, put a suction cup on it. Then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nuts. So take those out. You're taking out the entire regulator assembly. Unplugging it's a little more complicated. So, oh, there's a couple plastic push-ins that need to come off too. One there and one there. And make sure you put them back properly. Otherwise, you're going to have a scraping noise whenever the window goes up and down. You need to make sure that that's back on, so that when you plug in your speaker, it doesn't leave the wire hanging. And as far as getting the wiring harness off, I just took a pair of the door upholstery tool to kind of help it off. Should be able to get everything out through that access port. You do not have to take off the entire metal plate. Oh, my mistake. No, this one you do have to change out the motor. So there you go. So you are going to reuse the motor. If you have any questions, please ask them on this YouTube page. I'll be glad to answer them, and then everybody can see the answer, and hopefully it'll help other people as well. So that's going to go on with the 3 bolts that are probably T30 Torx. It should be T30. Now the trick is with these wires. You want to get them behind, before you put the nuts onto the regulator, you want to get the wiring harnesses secured as to where they go with those plastic push-ins, and the wiring harness that plugs into the speaker goes all the way where that speaker is, obviously. Important to get that in the right place. Then there's a plastic clip that goes onto a metal opening on the regulator, and that's what secures that. Now you can put the nuts on. Bosch tools, B-O-S-C-H, highly recommend them. They've been fantastic over the years. I've used everything over the years, and these are by far the best quality, the best customer service. Indestructible, they're really good. All right, so now I'm going to plug it in just so that I can test it out. Actually, what I'm going to do is bring the clips up so that I can tighten the 10mm bolts that hold the glass to the clips. And there they are. Tighten that down, tighten that down. Let's try it out and see if it works. Look at that. Ooh, baby, ooh, baby. A little WD-40 on the sides there. Well, you probably don't need a play-by-play for the rest of it, so enjoy, good luck, and thanks for watching. Have a good week. Bye now.